Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Marin, and today I've got an unboxing for you. I'm so excited for this. So if you remember from the I'm Back video, I was talking about the DJI Mavic Mini, about how it's cheaper than the other one. It's smaller. I don't have to register it with the FDA because it comes under the 250 grams. It's like 249, but I got it in the mail today. So as most of you may know by now, because I think I just posted a video of me moving, so I had a little bit of extra cash left over, so I went and I decided to splurge on this, and here it is. So I figured maybe we'll do a little unboxing, so let's dive right in. So I went with the flyaway one, which is, it comes with more items than just the drone. So let me pull all this stuff out and then we will look at it all. That's just a charger. This one comes with 3 batteries, so it's $100 extra, but it comes with 3 batteries, propeller guard, this nice case. But the flight time is only supposed to be like 30 minutes, so having the extra batteries is going to be actually really nice. All the instructions. Now these are the propeller guards, so that way you don't break your propellers. Here is the drone. This is the charger for the batteries. All the cables. Oh my goodness. It's actually a lot. This is the controller. And these are the extra propellers. And we're just going to keep that in there. And then it opens up like this, and then, oh. And there is our drone. Alrighty guys, it's mornings, days after I record this video. I'm actually working on editing it right now. And I just realized I didn't record an outro, so unfortunately it's going to be a little bit before I get into using the drone for our hikes, because just about everything's closed here due to the, whatever you want to call it. I know YouTube doesn't like the actual name, so due to the virus, everything's kind of closed, so I'm just going to keep messing around with it and researching different modes that I can use, because I know there's like a free form where it like circles around everything. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know every time a video goes live. I do try to post every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so you can always check it out then as well. So without further ado guys, it's been me, Miranda, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.